All right, guys, quick video here on how to make your deadbolt, a little bit more secure. So a lot of times you install it or whatever, and your screws are pretty much like this. They're gonna be, I don't know, maybe an inch long. But if you look in here, you're basically just going into this part here, this little tiny part of this wood right here, and this. So the only thing that's holding it is this little chunk of wood here, if you have these little short screws here that they come with. So in order to make your thing stronger, I put a 3.5 inch screw in here in the 4 spots, and that goes all the way into the studs of the actual frame back here, because you got you got your little frame here, and then you got shims and stuff like that usually, and then your studs are back here, so you got this gap here usually, and those short screws generally only go into this part of your frame. So if you take those out, put some 3.5 inch screws, those are going to go all the way here into the studs in the back, and it's going to give quite a bit more strength to this plate here. Sure, it's still going to be able to, if someone really wants in your house or whatever, it's definitely, they're going to be able to still get in, but it's going to definitely strengthen it a lot. And same thing with these, the plate on your regular door. You take out those short little screws that only go in this little frame part, and you put in some 3.5 inch ones. One thing you got to be careful with is if it's not shimmed too well. The only thing holding basically this frame from the other ones is your molding. This part right here, it might be nailed into that, so that'll hold it and keep a gap. But if you want to, and which I did here, because this was actually pushing this in a little bit when I screwed it in, you can pull off this molding, put some wood in behind there, and then so it's solid, and then you screw that in there. So just a quick tip there on how to make your house more secure and add some extra stability to your frame and your door there, so it's more difficult to break into. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.